Yesterday I have given some worksheet in your class. Okay, so most of them are confused. I don't know why. It's a very basic concepts. These are very basic concept and baby curve method. I have explained these all the things. You have to revise them. Then only you will understand. Please watch the videos in the afternoon hours. Baby curve method again. And this is very simple mathematics. Okay, let us see the questions. What are there in the worksheet? I will explain that. So the first question is 3x plus 14 is greater than 5x plus 24 then dash. So this is the first question in the worksheet, and these are very simple questions. But what I taught you, that is JEE level questions. And this sending here x variable, x1 send this side, send this x this side. So 3x minus 5x greater than 24 plus 14 send that side minus 14. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x greater than 10. So here you have a negative number. Divide by minus 2. Divide by minus 2. If you are dividing or multiplying, remember this, when you are dividing or multiplying with a negative number, the inequality sign changes. In this case, what I did here, I did subtraction here. Sending this side meaning is subtraction. Means I just tell you, if you want to this as mathematical terms, how to do is the mathematical terms I am telling you. According to mathematical terms, I want to get here 5x, I have to remove from this side. So I do what here? Subtract minus 5 on both sides. So whenever you are doing subtraction and addition, inequality doesn't changes. So here 3x, I am subtracting minus 5 or add minus 5. Sorry, add minus 5. So I am adding this side minus 5 and adding this side minus 5 and plus 24. I am adding both side minus 5. So that time this is cancel out. 3x minus 5x, that is minus 2x. And you have plus 14 greater than, you have here 24. Now I have to get only x value, 14 is extra, subtract 14 on both sides. Add minus 14 both sides. So minus 2x plus 14 minus 14 greater than 24 minus 14. That means this is cancelled, minus 2x greater than 10. Now you have come to this place. Now divide by minus 2. When you are dividing by minus 2, inequality changes. Remember that whenever you change, when you are multiplying and dividing, inequality changes with negative number whenever you do. So you have minus 2x greater than, divide by minus 2, 10 greater than by minus 2, 2 gets cancelled, minus gets cancelled. When I am dividing with minus, this greater than will become less than, inequality changes. So x less than minus 5 is your answer. That is the first answer in the worksheet. First question answer in the worksheet. Let's see the second question. So here in the worksheet, question number 2 here. This is the worksheet. So here I just want to give the worksheet for you homework, but you are not able to solve. You are not that level of doing mathematics. So I am explaining all the worksheet problems now. And these are small level things. These are elementary mathematics. Even you have to know these things. So I am explaining. Listen carefully. Watch in the afternoon section again. So here 7x minus 12 greater than 5x minus 11. You have to find the value of x here. If you want to find the value of x, what we do here? Send the, see here you have to make all x y's one side and numbers another side. Means make x in the left side and the number in the right side. Numericals on the right side. So what I do here, to get here, to remove this 5x, add minus 5x on both sides. So what I get here, 7x minus 5x minus 12 greater than 5x minus 11. I am adding this minus 5x this side and this side. So this will be cancelled out. And 7x minus 5x will be 2x. 2x minus 12 greater than, this is minus 11. Now you have minus 12. So add plus 12 to remember, take this one this side, otherwise you add plus 12 on both sides. So 2x minus 12 plus 12 greater than minus 11 plus 12. This will be cancelled out. 2x is greater than 12 minus 11, 1. Then x is greater than half. This is the way to solve this question. Let us see the next question. See this question here, and symbol you have. Okay, let's solve this first one. 5x minus 7 greater than or equal to 3. 5x greater than or equal to 3 plus 7. 5x greater than or equal to 10. Then x greater than or equal to 10 by 5. Then x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, now let's see this one. 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 8. 3x greater than or equal to 8 plus 4. 3x greater than or equal to 12. Then x greater than or equal to 4. Here you got x greater than or equal to 2. Here you got x greater than or equal to 4. So you have to find the answer for this, right? So what you do here, you just see that x greater than or equal to 2 and x greater than or equal to 4, and these are your answers. But you have and symbol. When you have and symbol, and he said that if 5x minus 7x greater than or equal to 3 and 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 8, then what happens? So though both are there, okay, this is also there, that is also there. So in AND condition we do intersection. X greater than or equal to 2 means where? This is 2 and this is 4. Let's see here, I am marking the number line. Here minus infinity, here minus infinity. The first one answer is 2. From 2 it is infinity said. From 2 it is infinity. First one said like that. And the second one said as greater than or equal to 4. From 4 it will be. Okay. From 4 it will be. So let us use this R using here on a vertical lines. So whenever you have and, then you have to do intersection. Means common part of both. Common part is, where is the common part here? X greater than 4 is the common part. Means mesh region. So the answer, final answer is x greater than or equal to 4 is the final answer. Here you understood x greater than half. Any doubts in this? And here you understood what is the answer. Correct? Now let us go for the question number 4. What did here? I do not write directly the same number that side. Okay, or you just use the mathematical thing, add minus 5x. So what is the meaning of add minus 5x? You can add here anywhere. It doesn't mean you have to add here only. Means you can keep in the left side anywhere, you can keep the right side anywhere. So that means what I get here, right? Minus 5x plus 3x minus 8 less than or equal to minus 5x plus 5x minus 2. This is cancelled. 5x minus 3x is minus 2x minus 8 less than or equal to minus 2. Now minus 8 should not be there, x should be taking as a subject. So send minus 8 that side. Minus 2x less than or equal to minus 2 plus 8. Minus 2x less than or equal to, this is 6. But you have a minus symbol here. When you have a minus symbol, we divide by minus 2. When you divide by minus 2, inequality changes. So minus 2x divided by minus 2 greater than or equal to 6 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 2 cancel. X greater than or equal to minus 3 in this case. Let us go for another one. What do you have here? 6x minus 4 less than or equal to 4x plus 1. Send x times one side, number another side. Directly I am doing it. 6x minus 4x less than or equal to 1 plus 4. That is 2x less than or equal to 5. Then x less than or equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means that is 2.5. Okay, then x less than or equal to something 2.5. Okay. So these two conditions are there. And is the answer. And is set. And means mesh region. Or means shaded region. So take the number line. Let us draw the number line here. I will draw the number line here. Let us take the number line. Here is the infinity. Here is the infinity. Here minus infinity. Let us mark this one. Minus 3 here I suppose. And 5/2 I suppose here. Okay. Now greater than minus 3. Greater than minus 3 means minus 3 se bada. So here you get like this. So minus 3 more than minus 3. This is the answer. And you have there x less than or equal to 5/2. 5/2 se chota means less than 5/2. 5/2 is lesser than that. Means in the sense this should be here and this should be lesser than. So it must be like this. This is the answer for that. And you have the symbol and. Therefore and is there, and you have these two are including. Here equal to symbol is there. So these both also included. So the answer is this will be the common place for both. So final answer will be how much? Final answer will be x belongs to minus 3 comma 5/2 closed. Suppose you don't have here equal to symbol, then answer will get open. But you have here equal to symbol, so answer will be getting in closed brackets. Understood?